Welcome to Idency's Anviz FacePass 7 User and Registration Guide. In this video, we will show you how to enroll a user onto the Anviz FacePass 7 using facial recognition, password, and RFID card. We will then demonstrate the clock in and clock out process. To get started, approach the device and look for the cog icon on screen. Press this icon to access the admin sign-in screen. To sign in to the device for the first time, you will need to enter the default admin details. Enter 0 for the ID and then 12345 for the password. To enroll a user from the main menu, navigate to User and then press Add. You will be presented with a range of fields for you to register the user's information. This includes the user ID and identification modes. Before registering identification modes, assign the user with a numerical ID number. From here, we can begin registering the user's face. The screen will then display the FacePass 7 camera. Please follow the device prompts for you to keep your face positioned within the yellow square. This is where the device will begin recording your facial dimensions. The green bar at the bottom of the screen will record the progress of completion, increasing with each capture as you move your face around the box. Moving your face around a variety of times allows the camera to capture different angles and lighting. It helps to alter the position and distance of your face until this has completed. When the registration is almost completed, the FacePass will signal for the user to take off their glasses. Simply ignore this prompt if glasses are not being worn. After completion, the screen will automatically return to the user information. From here, we can now register the optional identification modes. We will begin by assigning a password. To add a password to a user, simply press on the password field and use the virtual keypad provided to input the password. Once finished, press Return. This takes you back to the user's overview screen. You can now assign an RFID card to the user. We don't have to press anything to register a card. When in this overview page of the user's information, simply hold the card flat against the bottom of the FacePass, where the camera is located. You can move the card around slightly until the device captures the card number. It will do this automatically. Keep an eye out of the card field while doing this, as the FacePass instantly inputs the card number. You can use the same process for registering RFID tags. Once you have finished registering the desired identification modes, simply click the return arrows on the screen until you have returned to the sign-in screen and the information is all automatically saved. We are now ready to test and ensure the user you've just registered can clock in and out OK using the Anviz FacePass 7. To do this, they should simply approach the device. Be sure to then select in or out at the bottom of the screen using the arrows. Then, to clock using facial recognition, just position your face within the yellow square and taking less than a few seconds, a tone and a voice will signal a successful clock. Don't worry if you're clocking out at night and there's no light. The FacePass 7 adapts to dark environments with its advanced night vision camera. To clock using your password, click the cog icon and input your ID and password. A tone and voice will signal a successful clock. To clock using RFID cards or tags, simply hold the card or tag flat against the FacePass 7 camera. A tone and voice will signal a successful clock. Any one of these methods will begin recording your time and attendance with the Anviz FacePass 7. For more information or to discuss time and attendance with a member of our team, please visit www.idency.com. Thank you for watching.